lighting coming from the pictures you are seeing all come from one source, light pollution. More and more light is being wasted to light the night sky unintentionally. If we continue to let this light pollution increase on our planet, negative outcomes will occur. What is light pollution? Light pollution is any adverse effect of artificial light. This means that any form of artificial light being wasted is a form of light pollution. With that said, there are many different types of light pollution, such as glare, light trespass, and sky glow. Glare is any form of light that is being directed towards a person's face, causing discomfort or lack of visibility. Light trespass is any form of artificial light that is entering somewhere that it is not wanted, such as your home. Sky glow is a light that is illuminating the night sky, causing the sky to glow. Light pollution is most common in cities due to the vast number of lighting coming from homes, businesses, roadways, and attractions. We should change our current lighting habits to reduce light pollution. Light pollution is increasing steadily year after year. This map shows an artificial light brightness map of the United States from 1950 to 2025. The 2025 map assumes a constant population growth rate of 6% per year. The map shows a noticeable increase in the spread of light every 20 years in the United States. If light pollution continues to increase, we can expect the cost of this wasted energy to increase as well. Earth's wildlife has been the easiest to identify being affected by light pollution. Every year, migratory birds are crashing into heavily lit buildings and getting severely injured or killed. According to Glenn Phillips, executive director of the New York City Audubon Society, about 10,000 birds are crashing into buildings in New York City alone. Sea turtle hatchlings are naturally attracted to the ocean by the light of the moon, which is intended by nature to be the brightest light on any given night. But coastline lighting confuses them. It lures them away from the ocean and towards the dangers of the roads and predators. Night lighting that increases sky glow around sports stadiums can stop the mating activity of nearby frogs. Artificial lighting reduces visibility of species that communicate through light, such as glowworms and fireflies. Light pollution prohibits us from observing the night sky. It is clear to see how much of a difference light pollution can have while trying to observe the sky. Light pollution can affect many researchers and astronomers who are trying to observe the night sky. What are some solutions? The first and easiest solution to reduce light pollution is to turn off any lights that are not being used. You want to make sure that the light you are using is being used for its intended purpose. If the light you are using is illuminating the entire area around it, including the sky, then it is very bad. If that is the case, you would want to use a light fixture that can capture all the light and shine it down towards the ground. Be sure that the light from any outdoor lights is being directed down into the ground and not up or straight across into the sky. Technology can also help reduce light pollution. If you want a floodlight in your home, consider using a motion sensor floodlight. These floodlights will remain off until it detects motion nearby. This can help reduce the energy being used by half on a single night. Understanding what light pollution is and the effects it has is a first step in finding ways to prevent it. The research shows that light pollution will continue to increase year after year, which means problems will continue to rise as well, such as energy costs and ecological problems. There are plenty of solutions to help prevent the spread of light pollution, such as using appropriate light fixtures and using technologies such as motion sensor lights. Although there is still more research to be done in this field, research continues to lead to the direction that light pollution is having a negative impact on our world.